things that are not safe for you to insert inside your vagina. Your vagina is a delicate and self-cleansing organ. It is important for you to know some things are not safe for you to be inserted into your vagina. In this video, I'll be explaining those things and why. Some of these things will literally shock you. My name is Pharmacist Rubby, so stay to the end of this video if you are interested in this topic. The first one is fruits, garlic, yogurt. There is a study that is being carried on about using garlic to treat vaginal candidiasis. Because of that, some women use raw garlic, insert raw garlic into their vagina to treat yeast infection. That a study is being carried on about garlic being effective for treating yeast infection doesn't mean that you should insert raw garlic into your vagina. And mind you, these studies has not been concluded. Even if it has been concluded, no study says that you should insert raw garlic into your vagina. Garlic is a prebiotic, meaning it helps your normal flora, the normal lactobacillus that is in your vagina. It helps it to thrive. And for the set of women that insert fruit into their vagina because they want their vagina to smell like fruit, your vagina don't need to smell like fruit. No, your vagina should smell like vagina. Vagina has its own natural smell, and that is okay. That is okay, my ladies. Your vagina don't need to smell like fruit. And for my ladies that insert yogurt into their vagina, because yogurt contains lactobacillus. The lactobacillus is a good bacteria that is found in the vagina. My ladies, you don't need to insert this yogurt into your vagina. You should eat this yogurt. Eat your yogurt. Don't insert it. Inserting your yogurt into your vagina is going to reduce your vaginal pH. Remember, your vagina is supposed to be acidic. It's supposed to be acidic to prevent the growth of this harmful bacteria. Inserting yogurt into your vagina is going to disrupt your vaginal pH. Please, my ladies, stop it. Yogurt, fruits, and garlic is not supposed to be inserted into your vagina. Eat them, okay? They are meant to be ingested, not inserted into your vagina. Another set of things that women insert into their vagina is douching. Douching is the act of using a rubber pump to pump in chemicals into the vagina in the name of flushing the bacteria that is in the vagina. In this 2025, you are still pumping chemicals into your vagina. Please stop this. Douching is going to kill both the good and the bad bacteria that is in your vagina. And it's going to cause you vaginal dryness. Please, my ladies, stop douching. Another thing is using scented soap to wash your vagina. The vagina is self-cleansing. You don't need to use anything to wash the vagina. And however, there is a way of washing the vulva. You can wash your vulva. You can use mild soap and warm water to wash your vulva. You don't need this scented soap. This scented soap is going to disrupt the normal pH of the vagina and is going to cause you vaginal dryness. So, stop anything scented soap on your vagina. Another thing is using non-sterile objects into your vagina. Introducing non-sterile object into your vagina, or using your finger, inserting your finger into the vagina. This finger does not have any reason entering into your vagina. Please stop introducing your finger. Your finger is non-sterile. If you must insert your finger into your vagina, please wash it with soap and water. Wash it very well with soap and water. And stop introducing non-sterile objects into your vagina. These things can introduce bacteria into your vagina and cause you infection. So it is not needed. Another set of things is scented products. Some of you like to use scented pads, scented tampons, and scented wipes on your vagina. You don't need scented products on your vagina. When you want to buy pad, tampon, wipes, look for unscented ones. You don't need any scented product in your vagina. These things are not good for your vagina. Please, my ladies, be careful the type of thing that you use or you insert into your vagina. You don't need scented products in your vagina. These products irritate your vaginal wall and they cause you infection. They cause you vaginal dryness. Stop using them. They are not needed. You don't need to use scented products on your vagina. Hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. We'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.